Guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. We will explain today gold, what we execute our trade, why should I trade here. Exactly, you can use this one EMA also. This is a great EMA, guys. And when you break that upside, you can buy from here. When you break downside, you can sell from here. See, this is area. So, so you can use also this EMA also. But I will explain why should I trade here. Exactly. This is exactly, you can see the double bottom here continuously is a break that level, and 1c1, this is a asset hunting. When you see this is the last movement is continuously bigger candle. When they break upside, it's confirmations breakout, and again he break this one. So this is actually I trade from here. When they break that level of equal, this candle is a bigger candle, and that's why I trade here. Exactly, you can go with here. This signals I already give for everyone. You can go here, our Twitter. This is free signal here. This is my signal for gold, and you can see how we achieve our trade here. This is gold, right? And this target we achieve here. So this is actually right. So exact I already posted here, and then you can see exact proper target we achieve here. So why? You can go with the 1 hour time frame when you want to use this one EMA. It is a great things to you can buy from here also right now. This is a good time to when you want to buy and when you want to sell. And one things, if you want to use, you can comment us and we can give you this one EMA where you can find this one and you can use it. One things, when you want to use this one exactly, see when you break this one EMA, then see can you can close here, right? If you don't want to be like bigger moment, then you can close here, but you can wait for till if you use 1 hour time frame. If you use 50 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, that's good, you can capture the bigger move. But when they break this, exactly when they break this one, you can keep your positions open. This is simple here. And still I'm telling you, this is actually again he break here, this an area, but see this one exactly, this is mother trend line, is still breakout. And see when they break out, fake breakout, how you judge your fake breakout, you can see this one exact point here, trend line, this is mother trend line. And when you see this breakout, when you go downside, if it's under pressure is of the breakdown downside, so we have to see exactly market will reverse from here. This is actually, so this is trend line, this is mother trend line, this is exact. If you see this one area, it will be break, it is everyone buying from here, right? So one things we have to keep this one our in our mind, which this is under market working under this mother trend line. This is that's why we have to focus on here, bigger moment side. One thing's simple, you can use when you see this double bottom downside, this EMA इस EMA के नीचे अगर आप डबल बॉटम देखते हो, then we have to see exact point. This is actually here, see this one, and then breakout. See this is actually when you use 1 hour time frame, that's a good time to be buying from here. And when you use 15 minutes, that's a good time to be see this one level when you break out this EMA, and then you can buy from here also. And simple, if you don't want to use this one, you can see also, you can strategy, you can use your own strategies. What do you think, right? So exact when you want to capture this move, you can close here also. When you come down here, you can buy from again here also, right? This is actually when you see this one double bottom, exact here, see this one double bottom here in this EMA on this EMA, then you can buy from here also. When you see in a green candle, use always 1 hour time frame. I give you this suggestions for everyone. We have to use 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. When you want to execute your trade, you can use 15 minutes. If you want, if you can use only 1 hour, that's good for you. You can see this clear picture in 1 hour time frame. Simple. So go here and check it out here Twitter, and you can go with Twitter and Telegram channel. We provides lots of signal here, and then check it out. This is actually we provide this one, and see our target will achieve completely. You can see this one, we achieve our target here. So this is actually our, and simple, I just we want to execute my trade here again, but we already close it. If you want to buy again, you can buy from, but it is you have to very small SL here, because you don't want to give bigger support SL here, you can buy from again. But still, if you book your good profit, you don't want to be trade again, so you this is enough for us, right? So what we need to see here exactly, we have to wait here double bottom in 1 hour time frame upper this line. If we see one more double bottom here, here like this, I will show you how we can see here double bottom like this. When you see here double bottom and then boom, if we can't and then it's break downside, we can see here double bottom then boom. And that's why we have to wait in 1 hour. This is 1 hour actually the bigger confirmations. If you sometime you will be think like, you will see like, uh, in a trend, when the go to trend is like that be happen. So sometimes reverses trending is not a completely coming down equal bottom. You will see the in a trend going upside. That's why we have to wait for a bigger green candle and then you can buy from here. So exactly, I will telling you this is actually your double bottom. This is not double bottom, right? So actually this is actually the retesting this trend line and completely market down. And again you can see this in a range. If you see this in a range, continuously market off, and you have to till bait for the when you break out this trend line, retesting trend line, and then you can sell from again, and then see this is market going downside. Exactly, this the same things also here. If I execute my trade here from here, it is possible to you can retest this trend line and come down again. This is actually we can see like this. So you have to use trend line, you have to use support line, and you have to use this EMA. This is a great EMA you can use also. Exact point, what is this EMA? So EMA is right now is 23.79. If it's breakout downside 70.29, so we have to wait for a double bottom and then we can buy from again. But if you want to buy right now, you can buy from right now. This is actually the as you can see right now, see, this is actually we if we are buying right now, so we hit it our we are in profit right now, right? So this is the best scenarios. Tomorrow bank nifty is great movement today. We can't capture through all the movement, but still it's retesting this similar trend line here. And he's just look at this one. I just wait for this breakout but didn't break out properly. But still you see this one is the double bottom and market boom. And this is like a crazy things, right? So same thing here also, right? When you want to use this EMA, comment us, message us, and we can give you the information this about this EMA for everyone, right? So see, simple. When you're retesting, buy again, and you can use the trend line when it's break out, and then you can see this will happen. So again, market when pushing this downside, when you break this one, you have to close your trade, and then you see red candle, and then you have to sell. Keep your positions open when you still not when you see downside double bottom, you can wait for double bottom also. See this one, if you execute your trade from here, see exactly we are in running profit. This is 1 hour time frame, guys. So exact fixture you have to see 1 hour time frame. If you go with the 15 minutes, you are totally confused what actually going on in your so many trade. So many times you see a red candle, green candle. You can use also 15 minutes if you want to use, but the things is clear picture. See this one, clear picture. That's the clear picture. This is clear pictures for you also. You can go with the 1 hour. 1 hour you will see the more clear picture about trend line and downside upside, right? See, this is actually breakout and downside. So it is like small SL, then okay, come downside. When you see this actually the sideways market, you can see this is a support level also downside. This is a big support level, and you can see this is support level, okay. But when you see this is right sideways market, when you boom like and the market push the back again, and when they break this one, you can add your quantity here and then see the market going up. When they break downside, you can see this one sometime is rejected because market moving up and down. W pattern, you can see this is actually here is a big support level. You can see this is a big support level. You can draw like this. This is a big support level, right? And you can go this one like when you break this one level, and when they break again, you are buying from again here, right? Sometime is lacking, but this is all market is sideways. You can see, if you see this is sideways. When they break this one level, you can use this. This is for the trend line. If I use this trend line, and that's This not it looks good in 1 hour. I use this one is 4 hour time frame. That's why strain line is different here, right? So we have to use in other way. So actually, when they break downside, you have to see this one. When you want to when you see upside, sometimes it's rejected, but sometimes you will be see the good move from here. See this one, guys. When you see this, actually, if you see this V shape in downside like this V shape, it is a recovery. It's a good recovery. So we have to wait for a right moment to get the corrections. You see, this one is if you execute a trade here, then see this one how we behave here. So it is possible to market can go here, retesting this trend line is 97 level, and market boom like that. If it's going to downside, if it's go upside, it's a moving bigger move. So this trend will change again and will go upside. This two scenario here, and already I telling you, I already posted it everywhere. You can go there and check it out, all of the signals. Thank you so much. If you like our video, if you like our signals, if you like our strategies, you can contact us and you can use our strategy also, and you can follow our telegram channel, FBIP channel also. And thank you so much, guys. Make sure subscribe, like, and comment also. Thank you.